All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we're going to compare three-ish vehicles. Really, it's just two, but three different models within the two. We're going to look at the 2023 Acura Integra and compare that against the Civic Si and the Civic Hatchback. Everything has a manual. Let's get to that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so the whole point of buying a hot hatchback or performance sedan is you want that nice stick shift. You want to be able to have three pedals and shift it yourself. And if anything comes with an automatic, it better come with a dual clutch automatic. I'm looking at you, Integra. Do not be giving us a CVT. So thankfully, all three are offered in a manual, but let's get to pricing strategy with inside Honda Motor Company and try to understand what they're doing. So number one, they said that the Integra is going to start at 30 grand. Well, if you want a hatchback right now on a Honda showroom floor, it's $29,400 before destination and a little over 30 grand with destination. But that only has 180 horsepower and it does not come with a limited slip differential. And you have three color choices, one that's free, and that's the black. The other two is a white and a gray, and they're both a $395 option. Interior, you get black. That's it. So they don't give you a lot of options. I'm assuming the Integra is going to come in a lot of different colors, and probably at least two different interior choices. So odd that on the Honda showroom floor now, this thing's only about $600 cheaper than what the new Integra is going to have, but with far less options. Why? Then let's look at the Civic Si. The Civic Si I own a 2009. I love it. I was wanting to love this new Si, and in some ways I do. In other ways, especially after seeing this new Integra, I'm liking it less and less. Comparing it to the Integra price per dollar, I think the Si is a losing man's errand. It $28,315. The new Integra is only going to be $2,600 more. I don't understand. Why? Why would the Civic Si need to be $28,000? If anything, that needs to come down $2,000, $26,000. And then you get people to buy that one. Now, if this is just a ploy to be able to get people into the Acura brand, I get it, I guess, but that's like sacrificing Civic sales. Because listen, why would you buy the Si that's in a sedan form when you could spend $1,600 more and get a hatchback? So the hatchback's going to give you more practicality. It's going to give you at least as much horsepower. Let's say Honda doesn't give it any more horsepower. It's going to give you at least the same 200 horsepower, but you're going to get fancier things in there. You know it's going to come with more stuff, probably heated seats and other things, premium audio. It's going to come with different stuff. I just don't get the pricing strategy. I don't understand it. I think the Civic sedan looks better. Just my opinion. I think the Civic sedan looks better. However, I'll give it to the Integra when it comes to the hatchback. If I compare the Civic hatchback to the Integra hatchback, I like the Integra better. And then what happened to the coupe? I know this is just the start of something. That's what you said, Acura. But everything that you showed in that video was two-door. You didn't show, I don't remember a single four-door in there of the old school Integras. You showed nothing but two doors, but then you gave us, which I understand practical reasons, you gave us the four-door hatchback. But you should have also launched a two-door, and I've seen spy shots of it out. So did you just give up on it, or is this coming later? I'd also like to know some power figures when it comes to the Type S. I'm guessing around 300 horsepower. I'm guessing super handling all-wheel drive, and it's probably going to be electrified in some form. But that's another video for later. Let's get to these right here. Which one of these three would you choose? The Civic for the Si for 28 grand, the Civic for the hatchback for 29.4, or the Integra for 30. Odd that for $600 more, it's going to probably come with leather. It's probably going to come with a limited slip differential, more power than the current Civic hatchback right now. The current Civic hatchback used to come all turbo. Now it starts more expensive than last year, but it loses the turbo for the first two trim levels. So you're paying more to get less. I don't know. Honda used to be a really good company when it came to giving you value. Right now, I don't see a lot of value in the Honda Motor Company. So, Anyways, leave your comments down below. Tell me which one you guys would choose. Out of these three right now, I would choose the Integra. It just seems to give the best value for the dollar. Anyways, my name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one.